Hi, David Hallett again with another reminder about the IPWC24 conference coming up on the 30th of April, not too far away now. I'm coming to you live today from a bowling green. More about that later. Now, we've talked about the importance of a conference, the importance of professional development, networking, mixing with service providers and product suppliers to the sector, and a sense of peer engagement and the sense of belonging that's established by mixing and mingling with your peers and colleagues. But there's another reason, of course, the social events, and we've got a great program of social events lined up at IPWC24. On Monday night, there's a welcome function. On Tuesday night, there's a casual dinner. On Thursday night, there's an awards dinner, which is not to be missed. But on Wednesday night, there's a special function for our young delegates, and that is a State of Origin Lawn Bowls Challenge, where people will be competing for this magnificent State of Origin Lawn Bowls Challenge trophy. If you're a young IPWEA member or a young delegate attending the conference, we'd love to have you at our inaugural State of Origin Lawn Bowls Challenge on the Wednesday night. You'll be sent an invitation, so I hope you can make it. And I hope you can make the conference. We look forward to seeing you there.